guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I'm back home for the holiday. Maybe I'll talk about my experience later on, but I wasn't even able to complete first semester yet. I still have 3 months to go, but today I just want to show you what I eat in a day, because what I eat in school is vastly different from what I eat at home, and it's holiday season, so specialties hopefully. Anyway, so this is going to be a brief video of what I eat in a day, and let's go along. I'm not going to be cooking every single thing, but I'm going to be eating it. When I get back to school, I'll be filming what I eat in a day in school, and I hope you stick around because next year is going to be amazing. I have a lot of video planned out for even this year, a lot of videos. So subscribe if you haven't yet, and like and comment. And I want to thank everyone that has subscribed so far, everyone that has watched and shared. I'm so happy. I love you guys so much, and let's get started with this video, because you didn't come to see my face, you came to see my food. Guys, so my mom's cutting out some paw-paw, and I'm just going to start with this morning. So I'm starting off the day with some paw-paw. Fun fact about this, we actually cut it, my mom cut it from a tree growing outside my house. Delicious. Second, a little strong. So, if you've been a long time viewer, you have probably seen me make the meal I'm making right now. But it's just basically my favorite breakfast. I literally call it breakfast because it's standard. Even if I'm eating it as dinner or lunch, it's still breakfast. So I'm making breakfast today, and it's basically just bread and eggs. But I just really love it, and yeah. I actually didn't want to film this just because I was making it, and I've made it before, but it's my favorite meal to have as breakfast. So just going to be filming it again. So comment down below what your best breakfast is, or what you love having for breakfast. Just write it down below. And it's Christmas season, so especially in holiday season, what do you love having for breakfast? Comment down below. So right now I have the cutties, the eggs, and just let's get started right now. Everything. It's not going to take a lot of time, hopefully, because there are people in here, so this is something right now, me being one of them. This is all I'm putting into the eggs today. And time for the fun part, breaking up the eggs. I want to make sure none of them are spoiled. That was not very good. Okay, this one is okay. As far as in here, I think I need to break it down. So this is basically my meal for the morning. It took me a long time to make, and this is just bread with eggs in it and tea, hot chocolate. Yeah, so I'm just gonna eat right now. Lunch is sizzling. Mama was making traditional Nigerian soup, which is bitter leaf soup. You'll see more of it when it comes out. So it's ready for lunch. Hi, it's bitter leaf. Looking good, Mom. Come on. Guys, this is my lunch, and this is just cassava, or called eba, and this is bitter leaf soup. Let's eat. So this is my meal. You actually eat this with your fingers. Have some macaronis with malt. Yeah, this is malt. That looks like egg, but it's malt. And I'm just gonna eat this right now.